South Africa's President Cyril Ramaphosa has responded to comments made by billionaire Elon Musk about launching Starlink in the country. Musk recently claimed that his satellite internet service Starlink is not being approved because of South Africa's racial ownership laws. But Ramaphosa says there are ways for international companies to operate locally without giving up ownership. He pointed to something called equity equivalence programs, where companies can invest in things like infrastructure or community development instead of selling shares. So the challenge is in the telecom sector, companies are still required to meet a 30% black ownership rule to get licensed. Communications Minister Solly Malatsi has suggested extending these alternative options to telecoms, but not everyone in government agrees. So, this debate is important because services like Starlink could be a game changer, especially in rural areas where internet access is still very limited. For now, it's a waiting game to see whether South Africa's policies will adapt or if companies like Starlink will have to adjust instead. So, do you think Starlink should be allowed to operate in South Africa without giving up 30% ownership? Or should companies like Elon Musk's still follow the same rules as everyone else? Is black economic empowerment still necessary today, or is it holding back the country? Would you rather have faster, cheaper internet or protect local ownership and transformation? Do you trust government to make the right call on this? Let me know in the comments.